Ever pondered what keeps the flame alive in a relationship? Is it the shared laughter, the mutual interests, or maybe the silent understanding in a glance? Every relationship thrives on a unique blend of these elements, but one common thread that weaves through all successful relationships is effective communication. Imagine a bridge that connects two hearts. This bridge is not built of bricks and mortar, but of words, emotions, and understanding. This bridge is communication. But what happens when this bridge starts to crumble? Misunderstandings pile up, feelings get hurt, and slowly the once strong connection begins to wane. But fear not, for every broken bridge can be mended, and every damaged relationship can be healed. Remember the time when the relationship was new, when every word from your partner filled your heart with joy, and every shared moment felt like a precious memory? The key to reviving that spark lies in revisiting those initial moments. Think about your partner, about what drew you to them in the first place. Was it their smile, their wit, or their kindness? Whatever it was, let that be your guiding light as you work on mending the bridge of communication. Understanding and empathy are the cornerstones of effective communication. When your partner speaks, do more than just listen. Seek to understand their perspective, their feelings, and their thoughts. This is not always easy, especially during conflicts. But remember, the goal is not to win an argument, but to understand your partner better. Patience is another virtue that can greatly improve communication. When emotions run high, take a moment to pause, breathe, reflect. This small act of patience can prevent many misunderstandings and hurtful words spoken in the heat of the moment. Living in the present is another essential aspect of effective communication. Past mistakes should be lessons, not weapons. As you communicate with your partner, focus on the present moment, the present issue, and the present feelings. And finally, communicate your feelings clearly. Whether it's expressing your love, your gratitude, or even your apologies, make sure your words convey exactly what you feel. Remember, words have the power to heal, to comfort, and to bring people closer. In summary, improving communication in a relationship is a journey, not a destination. It requires understanding and empathy, patience, living in the present, clear expression of feelings, and willingness to apologize when needed. It's about revisiting the initial spark that drew you to your partner and using that as a guiding light. And above all, it's about believing that underneath all the communication breakdowns, there's still a rewarding partnership waiting to be rediscovered. Because every relationship, every partnership, every connection is worth fighting for. So, go ahead, mend that bridge, heal that relationship, forgive and receive forgiveness, and let love flourish once again. In the spirit of communication, we would like to express our gratitude. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and for striving to improve your relationships. Your efforts are not unnoticed, and they will certainly make a difference. If you found this content helpful or inspiring, please share it with others. Remember, the journey to improved communication is easier when we walk it together. And if you want to stay updated with more content like this, consider subscribing to our channel. Your support allows us to keep creating and sharing. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's continue this journey together.